Hey guys, this is Samsung Soundbar B650. This soundbar deserves your attention. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth. Hey guys, this is Samsung Soundbar B650. This soundbar deserves your attention. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth. This soundbar is currently connected to this TV using HDMI cable. HDMI cable and optical cable are not included in the packaging. This is the optical cable. So if you want to hook this soundbar using HDMI or optical cable, then you need to buy the cable separate. What I want to do now is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth. So what I'm going to do is unplug the HDMI cable. And you can see the audio is from the TV.
Information war by publishing what appears to be intercepts of these conversations.
So this is HDMI cable. Now what we want to do is, first of all, we need to go to the TV setting. To connect this to your TV via Bluetooth, you need to use the input to select BT. So you need to select BT and it will be in BT pairing. Okay, so you can do this use the remote control button, select BT, it will be in BT pairing. Now go to your TV settings, scroll down to the sound, and it's showing us now TV speaker. You need to select on the sound. Now scroll to the side to Bluetooth, and this is the Bluetooth. You need to scroll down and look for device list, select enter, and it's now looking for available Bluetooth device. Okay, and here we go. So it picked up Samsung Soundbar B series. It's available. You need to select on it, and it's connecting. It's connected. Now you can increase the volume. When it's in Bluetooth, you can increase the volume using the TV remote. Likewise, the soundbar. This is the audio. Increasing the volume using the soundbar remote control. Likewise, this is TV remote control. You can also increase the volume. You see it here. So I move this around because I don't want to leave it in one particular place. If you want to check this, then you need to select your TV settings. Then you need to scroll down to the sound, and it's showing us now Bluetooth device. So this is how to hook this up to your TV via Bluetooth. And when it's in Bluetooth, like I said earlier, you can control the volume using the TV remote. Likewise, using the soundbar remote control. With the soundbar remote control, you can select bass boost. So it's now bars post. You can also select standard. This is standard. This is surround. Game. Use sound mode to select every other mode you want. This is adaptive. This is DTS Visual X.
The official preliminary results of its elections show that hardliners and conservatives have won most.
So basically, this is how to hook this up to your TV via Bluetooth. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.